Hello, everyone. My name is Mia. Today is a very special day for me. This is my first ride on a train. I am very excited. I am standing at the station gate. I feel happy and nervous. This moment is very special. My journey is about to start.
Now I am entering the railway station. It looks very big and busy. I see many people. Everyone is in a hurry.
The station is very crowded. People are everywhere. Some are talking loudly. Some are waiting quietly.
I am standing at the ticket counter. This is my first time. I feel a little nervous, but I am excited.
Finally, I got my ticket. I hold it carefully. I smile with happiness. It feels great. Now I am walking to the platform. I hear train sounds. My excitement is growing. I walk slowly. I sit on a bench and wait. I look at the clock. Time feels slow. I am waiting for my train. Other trains are passing by. They are very fast. The sound is loud. It feels exciting. I hear an announcement. It is about my train. People start standing. My heart beats fast. My train is arriving now. It looks very long. There is a lot of noise. I feel excited. I board the train carefully. People help each other. I hold my bag. I feel safe. I look for my seat. Finally, I find it. I sit down slowly. I feel relaxed. The train is clean. People are sitting quietly. Some are talking softly. It feels calm. The train starts moving. I feel a small shake. The journey begins. I smile. I look outside the window. I see trees and fields. The view is beautiful. I feel happy. I enjoy the journey. The air feels fresh. Time goes fast. I feel peaceful. This journey is special. It is my first time. I feel proud. I feel happy. The sun is setting. The sky looks beautiful. The journey feels magical. I feel calm. This was my first train ride. I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you for watching. See you again.